Okay, question number 1 from the homework. This is the graph of the function itself. And as you see, the function has a sharp point up at c. So that means that the function will not be differentiable at c. But let's see what else is happening here. First off, it says the domain of the derivative, or the domain of the derivative of f is the open interval from a to b. Well, we already said that it's not differentiable at c, so the domain of the derivative would be from a to c unioned with c to b. So it's not the entire interval. Going on to Roman numeral 2. F is continuous on the open interval from a to b. Yes, even though the function is not differentiable at c, the derivative is still there. So b, or Roman numeral 2, works. Question 3. It says the derivative of f is positive on the open interval from a to c. This is where I missed the question when I was working this on my own. I assumed it was a to b, did not read it carefully. It's increasing everywhere along this interval, therefore it is positive everywhere on that interval from a to c. So my correct answer choice is D. On to question 2. Question 2 is dealing with the limit definition of the derivative. So, and I know that because of the form it's in. This is 0 plus delta, or f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. Now, looking at this, it's cosine, so what we're needing here is the derivative of cosine. And the derivative of cosine would be negative sine. So we're concerned about the negative sine of 3 pi over 2. Well, the sine of 3 pi over 2 would be negative 1, so the negative sine of 3 pi over 2 would be positive 1. So A would be the correct answer for for question number 2. Question number 3. At which of the 5 points on the graph is the derivative and the second derivative? Remember, this notation stands for the second derivative. Where are both of those negative? Well, we need to know where it's decreasing and concave down. B and C are the only points where the graph is decreasing. However, C is on an interval where it's concave up, so B is on the interval where it's concave down. So the correct answer here is B.